All right, guys, so this is our terminal, right? And this is the basic terminal that comes with your Mac computer. Now, if you want to use something more prettier, more, with more features, then you want to use another type of terminal. So for me, I can use Hyper.js, which is a terminal built with Electron. Okay, for you guys on Windows, I think this could be like the best one for you guys. Now, for guys that are on Mac, I think iTerm 2 will be amazing for you. Okay, so you could click here and go to downloads. All right, click here, download the latest. Okay, open up iTerm 2. Then now we drag this into applications. Go to applications. Let's see, where's iTerm. Double click here. And as you can see, click on File, Open. Now, of course, it's going to look like this. So what we're going to do is now we're going to install Z Ssh. Okay. So to do this, I'm going to copy here a couple of lines, and I'm going to actually add this for you guys so you guys can actually have it below this video. So everything that I'm copying and pasting, I'm going to add it for you guys too. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, install brew, install zsh. I always get a problem with that freaking thing. I don't know why did I just call it something simple. Okay, so once that finished installing, okay, we will install zsh. Okay, so give it a second. I'm gonna post this. All right, guys, so everything finished installing. I'm gonna come here and do zsh -- version. Okay, and it's telling me I got version 5.7. Some of you guys might have a higher version, right? Especially if you watch this in the future, there's probably gonna be new updates. Okay, then from there we're gonna come here, we're gonna copy this. Okay, and what this is going to do is make sure that zsh is actually your default shell system for your terminal. So click there. I'm gonna put in my password for my computer, and there you go. And then now I'm gonna come here, say echo shell. Okay, and currently right now it says -bin bash. Now if you're getting this error, let's try again. Let's try to do brew install zsh. Okay, everything is good. Okay, so then now we're gonna install oh my zsh. Okay, now time to change your default shell to zsh and put in yes. Okay, put in your password. Okay, there we go. So now we got oh my zsh set up. Okay, all right, guys, now that we know we have that installed, let's come here, let's try to check it again to see if it's set up by default. So go echo shell, and as you can see now it says bin /zsh. Before it was saying bash, and that's not what you want, because bash is what comes in by default. We wanted to use bin /zsh. All right, now the next thing that we want to do is we actually want to come in and start working on some new configurations for zsh. Now to set up your settings for the plugins that you're going to install, you actually need to be able to see some files that might be hidden from your computer. So what you want to do is you want to come here and copy this into your terminal. Default right com.apple.finder AppleShowAllFiles YES. Now if you have VS Code or any text editor, you can open up your text editor. Okay, go to File, Open. Okay, go to your username or your home directory, click on Open. Now you will see a whole bunch of files here that start with a dot. Those files are actually hidden files. Okay, now sometimes here on VS Code, some files don't show up. So what you want to do is you want to click here and click on refresh. Okay. Now you will see your file that says .zsh. You click there. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to clone a repo that I have here, which is from a spaceship. It's called spaceship-prompt. So we're going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here for you guys. Okay, click enter and it's cloning it. Then from there we're gonna symlink it. So copy it, paste it there. Okay, there you go. Then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here and copy the name of the theme inside of here. Okay, just like that. Save it. Then now what we want to do is we want to close this and quit iTerm tool. Okay, we're gonna open this again, iTerm, click here. Okay, and there we go. It says check automatically. Now we actually need to use something called a nerd font. Okay, I know it sounds funny, but it is what it is. Okay, to do this, what we want to do is we want to search for monokey nerd font mono. So I'm gonna search monokey nerd font. Okay, click here. Then I want you guys to click here where it says nerd fonts. Go to nerdfonts.com. Okay, go to downloads. Okay, go to downloads. It's gonna bring you to down here. Click on monokey to download the zip files. Okay, click there, open it up. Okay, I already have this here, so we're gonna double click in there. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually go over all of these and we're gonna double click it. Okay, we're just gonna click install font. Okay, we're gonna click here. All right, there you go. Now we can actually come here, close this up, right? And there you go. We have all of the different type of fonts that you might need. Okay, so once you do that, you have everything installed. Okay, so you're good to go. Now let's come back to our text editor and we're gonna copy a couple of lines that I have here. Okay, you guys can copy here just like this. You can put it wherever you want. Okay, I'm just gonna put it all the way at the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna put this in. All right, just like that. I'm gonna save that and you should be good. Okay, now also if you want to change a couple of the way how the color looks, you can also copy this into the file here, save this just like that, and there you go. You should be good now. Now what we're gonna do is once again we're gonna close iTerm, right? We're gonna quit it, then open it up again. Okay, now as you can see, you might be getting some error here where it's just not showing what it needs to show. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come here to our preferences, change this. Okay, drag this up, and let me see appearance, profiles, right? And in here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on text. Okay, I'm gonna change font. Okay, drag this up here. Okay, I'm gonna click on monokey. Okay, I'm gonna bring this up to, let's say 18 to make the text bigger for my screen. Okay, all right, so we have that. Let me close this, click right here, make sure everything is good. I might make it a little bit bigger just because I know you guys are watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on 30. So is that big enough? Yeah, I think that's big enough. Okay, maybe make it a little bit smaller, say 26. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna come here, say use ligatures, use different, none for AC text. Okay, now we're gonna use another font, so we're gonna use Overpass. Okay, download that, give it a second. Open this up, click on Overpass. I'm gonna put it in, let's say Overpass then nerd font complete. Click here. Okay, install. There we go. So we have that one, but let me try to install all of them. Okay, install font, install font, install font. I know sometimes it might ask you for other things. Just go ahead and click install font. Okay. Okay. Still checked. Okay, there you go. So then now we're gonna come here, click on change font, search for Overpass, right? And we're gonna choose Overpass Heavy Nerd. So let me see if I can make this window bigger. Okay, font family, Overpass Nerd font. Let's click on semi bold. Okay. Then we're gonna click use ligatures and anti-aliased. Okay. Now let's see how our terminal's looking. All right, so now let's come back here and try to fix this. So there's a problem with the quotes. Okay, so that's the issue. Make sure that the quotes look like that. Same thing as this. Delete that. Save that. Okay, and then let me see what else. We're also going to come here and let's see if we find this one that we might want to use. So what I'm gonna do, because I can't find it here, I'm just gonna search for it. I'm gonna search power line symbols. Okay, click here. Okay, open this up, click install font. There you go. So we should be good. Now I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna try and quitting the terminal one more time and starting it all over again. So let me see, go to, let's say iTerm, open it up, and there we go. Okay, so now we get into icons, we're getting everything that we wanted. Now for me, I'm gonna come here, go to preferences, I'm gonna go to appearance, go to profile, go to text, and now I'm gonna change the size of this. Okay, so I want this to be, let's say 24. Okay, 24. Let's see, it's a little bit too big. Okay, there we go. Gonna put it like a 18. Okay, now I'm gonna save this one more time, and let me see. Let's go to a project so you guys can see the difference. So I'm gonna say ls. Okay, so we're getting an error. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back here, take this out of here. Okay, and we're gonna copy it, save it. Okay, and once again, quit this one more time. I know it's a lot of quitting, but it is what it is, guys. We're gonna come here, I'm gonna say ls, and there we go, guys. Now we have some color and we have some some icons with our ls. Okay, so it looks pretty cool, pretty dope. Now I can actually come here and go inside of the, let's say, CD projects, right? That's a location of all my projects. Click ls, and let's say I'm gonna go into React Infinity. So now I'm going to cd React Infinity, and then now, so you guys can see, this is all the cool things that I'm getting. So I'm getting the location of where I'm at, right? And then on top of that, I'm also getting what version of this project, right? So it's version 4.0 because I'm using the starter kit, and it's also telling me what node version am I using. Okay, so for you guys that wanted to know, I'm using 11.10.1, so it's actually pretty damn cool. Now I'm just gonna try to do npm run watch to see what it gives us. Okay, and how it looks pretty cool, pretty nice. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're actually gonna get some themes. Okay, so to do this, we can come here, do a simple search, and search for iTerm 2 themes. Okay, there's a whole bunch of themes that you can use. I like this one, this Adventure Time. So I can come here, save page as, right? Once I click in there, I can go to save page as and put this on all files. So then now we're naming this Adventure Times.iTerm colors. Save that. Okay. Open it up, and it says, okay, it has been loaded. So now I can go to my preferences and go to profiles, go to colors, click on here, and actually could click on Adventure Time. Okay, and this is how that theme looks. Okay, now I'm gonna search for material. Okay, so let's say material dark. Click here, file, save page as. Okay, remove the txt, so it's items color. Okay, click here, load it up, and then now come here, click on material dark. There you go. Another one that I like to use is this one called toy chest. So I'm gonna click here, file, save as, save this thing, change it to all files. Okay, open this up, toy chest. Okay, and also too, another one that's very popular is Dracula. A lot of people use this one. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get it. Save page as, and there you go. Download it. Okay, click here. Now go to preferences, and we're gonna click on colors, and so you can see you have Dracula. There's Dracula 2 because I installed it twice, so be careful about installing things twice because then this is gonna happen. You can also delete it. Okay, now I'm gonna choose toy chest. Okay, some people that like this. Okay, let me see. I usually like to have like purple in my code. So let me see, dual tone. Let me search this one. Save page as, and I'm just showing you different themes now. Like we're pretty much done, but showing you guys a couple of different styles that you guys can choose from depending on what you like, right? Of course. So I'm gonna go with dual tone dark. Okay, that was nice. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, now let me see what it has. Okay, looks pretty damn good. Okay, if you guys want to switch it up just to see how it looks, click on material dark. That's how material dark will look, which is always good. Material dark, no matter who you are, it is a clean theme, right? This is Adventure Time. This is Dracula. This is Dual Tone. This is Material Dark. Okay, this is Toy Chest. All right, guys. Now, one last thing that we want to fix is right here. We want to put a space here. Okay, so we're going to save that. And then now, once again, quit and open it up again one more time. iTerm. Okay, now I also want to let you guys know that if you want to put in a different icon than what we have here, you could go here click on icons. Okay, it brings you down here, and then there's a whole bunch of icons that you can use either from Font Awesome and Fonticons. Like, there's so many different icons that you can use. You can actually just take it from here. So let me see this one that has Star Wars. So let's say Empire. Okay, the Empire, right? So I'm gonna take this, right, and I'm going to put it on this one. Okay, you always have to put in this backslash and then the U like that, so the icons could actually show up, and then put in the code after that. So save that, and then once again open up your iTerm, and there you go. So we got the icon there. Actually pretty damn cool. So for me, I'm just gonna go back to having the Git Labs icon, which is like that little wolf. There we go. I actually like it like that. Okay, but like I said, you can come here, search for any icon of like any company or any folder or anything that you might want to add. Like, look, this is actually pretty cool. You got a controller, you got the yen, you got the dollars. Okay, there's a whole bunch of stuff that you can actually add here if you guys wanted to. If you want, you can have Apple, you know, airplane landing. It's up to you guys what you guys want to do. All right, guys, we also have CodingPhase themes. So if you guys want to have your computer, your terminal, your VS Code, your Atom, you want to have it exactly like your boy because you like the styles that I have, well, I'm going to be adding all of the themes here to this location. Okay, now all you have to do is just click here, clone, download zip. Okay, open this up. Okay, and then now what you want to do is you click on iTerm, double click on CodingPhase Dark. Okay, click on Preferences, click on Profiles, click on Colors, and then go over here, choose CodingPhase Dark theme. Okay, there you go, and this is how it's gonna look. All right, it looks pretty good. All right, I actually like it. It's very simple. Like, I'm gonna show you right now. So if you run the npm run watch, got the starter kit in there. Okay, and this is how it would look. Okay, so pretty nice theme, very clean, very easy to look at. Okay, and I love it. All right, guys, so I hope you guys like this content. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if this was difficult or not, or if you enjoyed it, or if you have your own styles, or you got your own themes that you like. So let me know. I want to know what you guys have. All right, I'll see you guys later. It's your boy Joe, back at it again, codingphase.com. Once again, guys, if you want to learn how to code, if you want to learn a lot of different things on how to get a job, right, and making sure that you learning the latest and greatest things that's out here, come visit codingphase.com. You know, get your bread, get your money up. Okay, this is what we do out here. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace. All right, so I'm gonna see you guys later. It's your boy Joe, back at it again, codingphase.com.